Hello everyone. Well, how's your lockdown going, huh? Mine is really boring. This is just like eat, sleep, edits, repeat. Well, by the way, I heard there are new AirPods in town, that is the third generation. Well, let's go have a look at those. So, Chroma. Okay, Chroma AirPods 3. Well, here are the AirPods 3, AirPods Pro. Okay, so let's go with the AirPods 3. Zip deliveries by tomorrow 1 p.m. Okay, so these are the AirPods, huh? It looks quite similar to AirPods Pro. Okay. I found this really bad, dude. Okay, so today's savings are some thousand. No, wait. So the price is 18,500 and I'm gonna save. Okay. Okay, so today's saving is 925. That is, it's gonna cost me around 17.5. So let's go and order it this. Whoa. Okay, I'm really excited for my AirPods 3, which are gonna be arriving tomorrow at 1. So I'm really excited for it. Well, let's see you all tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. Okay, so the time is around 11 o'clock and the expected delivery for the product which we had ordered yesterday was 1 o'clock, but we have received it really early because I think it's a good luck because a new year and a new present from me to me. Okay, so here is the product and I'm really excited to open this because this is the first gift in 20 that I gifted myself. So by not wasting much of time, let's do the unboxing. So finally the AirPods MagSafe charging case and oh, this one is a little damaged, but that's okay. So this is the cable, charging cable which you get inside the box. want, and here it is. Okay. So the actual difference between the earpods, these are the normal earpods actually. Okay, so these are the earpods, normal earpods, and these are the earpods 3. So difference between these two is this one has got a silicone cap and this is the rough thing, and its design is also a little bit changed. The size is a little small compared to that of AirPods Pro, and it has got tap 1 2 3 tap over here. भाई इसका तो फील ही अलग है यार. So you can see it is a little smaller compared to that of AirPods Pro. Yep. So let's connect it and see how it works. Okay, so now let's connect it. Okay, so MAAZ AirPods, it's automatically got my name as well. Okay, so done. And okay, so this is comparatively less than AirPods Pro. That is this one is around 18.5k and that is 22 or 23k. So this is the third gen of AirPods. So okay, so let's see the ear in fit test. Well, it has got a good grip than those silicone, but one advantage in those AirPods Pro is that it contains the silicone tip, so it has perfect grip, but this one is also good. Okay, so one minus point of this is compared to that of AirPods Pro is that the tap over here, it is a little bit inside, so when you click on this it loosens its grip, so that is one minus point of your compared to that of AirPods Pro. So let's listen to the music now. So this is my first impression, so I'm not sure about it, but the sound quality is okay, like it's good, but compared to that of AirPods Pro, I find that AirPods Pro are like more good than this compared in the sound quality, and it is compared to that of the second generation of AirPods Pro. This one looks really attractive when it goes in the ear. So now talking about the battery health, it gives 6 hours of playback time with a single charge, and with the case, along with the case, it gives 30 hours of playback time. That is like pretty good actually. But the only minus point in AirPods 3 is it does not have active noise cancellation. But if you go to AirPods Pro, it has active noise cancellation, and its worth is high as well. So compared to that of earpods 2, that is second generation, this one are quite like perfect. If you know, like if you can't afford, or if you can't buy earpods pro, and if you want to go to earpods 3, that is like a good option. But I feel earpods pro are good because it's got a good grip in the ears, and even if you're doing some activity, it like really holds a good grip. But in this, I'm not sure. So let's test it. This was my first impression, so let's test it out, and further we'll let you know if there's any negative point. So you get the find me, like because it's really small, so if you keep it somewhere and it's misplaced, so it can easily find. And baki, like it highlights the earpods 3 is about the battery health compared to that of the others. Okay, so now compare of 3, that is earpods second generation is somewhere around 12 to or 13,000, and this one is in between earpods 2 and earpods pro. So according to the feature wise, it goes really good, and the sound quality is also good, audio quality is good. But the only problem is that it does not have noise cancellation, active noise cancellation. And if it had those silicone grip, it would have like have a good grip. It would might have a good grip, but it would look similar to that of earpods pro. So this one is different, so that is the reason. Now I don't know. So but compared to that is the size is smaller and the battery is increased. So yeah, that is what earpods 3 actually are. But this touch control is one more problem. So according to me, there are only like two major problems. That is one, no active noise cancellation, and one is the controls, in touch controls, like which are little bit lighter inside. So when you click on that, it loosens its grip. So that is the second point. And that is what actually earpods 3 are. It mainly highlights its battery health. So that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and share the video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Well, till then, stay tuned. See you all soon.